Welcome to the Cyber Free. Stay secure.
and keep
We are continuing with our web exploitation series, and today we will cover cookies. So copy the link. Okay, so let's try Snickerdoodle, and it says that is a cookie. Not very special though. I love Snickerdoodle cookies, and we see that the name initially it was -1 and it changes to 0. Go to home and let's see what the cookie value changes to. It changed to -1. So let me just, instead of typing it out here, let me try 3. Change it and refresh it. It says this is a cookie, and you see the value changed to ginger snap, and I think it has something to do with types of cookies. So let me change this to some other value, 8, and refresh. And molasses, so it has something to do with this cookie named name. So what we can do, we can try out a bunch of numbers in serial way like 9, then check individually how it can be. So we can check the next number, 10, and we can obviously do this one by one, but we can also automate this process by writing a simple script. So let me create a script file where we will write a small Python program. Um, yeah, obviously it requires some little bit of Python Python knowledge, but it will be easy. I will tell you. So basically, we are saying that from the entire library, it should import request. We are gonna request on this website. So I will copy this. It will be used. So basically we want to like go till maybe like 40, and then we will say that cookie should be name equal to, it should be something, and we will format it with I. So basically what it will do, for I in range low, so 0 to 40, it will put name equal to, in this bracket it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, like that, and then we have to put it headers. So let me put cookie, and this should go. And for keeping track, let me print as well, checking for I equal to, and we should print I. Now the part comes where we are sending request. So I will write request dot get. We are making a get request to this website. This port number might change, so you can modify as per headers. And then we will check if request dot status equal to I think it is request underscore if it is 200, which means success, and also we have to check, let us do this. So we will write print r.text request.text. So we'll save this file, and for to run this file you might need to install this library, pip install request. I have already installed, so it will say already satisfied. You can do that and then run with python script.py. Oh, I did not write in. Okay, uh, here instead of equal to I wrote minus sign. So what we can do is we can also check that and pico picoCTF this in r.text. So basically, uh, like for each value of I, it might give status 200, like it might exist, but we have to filter it out using this, where we will check that response or .text should have this, because the flag of picoCTF is of the form this. So I will just save this. Okay, so we got the response, and it is for I equal to 18. So either we can copy from here, or we can just put 18 here and hit a refresh. So we got the flag. And it is an easy, because we can just like start from 1 and go till 18. But what if the number was a larger one, so maybe 100, 200? So instead of manually doing it, we have automated using Python. If you found this video useful, give it a like, and don't forget, subscribing to this channel would be freaking awesome. Thanks again, see you in the next video.